Have you ever stopped to ponder just how toothpaste is made? This minty concoction, a daily staple in our lives, is usually squeezed onto our brushes without a second thought. It's interesting, isn't it, how something so common, something we use twice a day, every day remains a mystery. From the fresh minty flavor to the smooth texture, toothpaste adds a zing to our mornings and nights. Yet most of us haven't the slightest clue about its creation. Well, prepare to be enlightened as we delve into the fascinating process of toothpaste production. First off, let's get to know the key players in this process, the ingredients. Toothpaste, the unsung hero of our daily routine, consists of a carefully crafted mix of components. Fluoride, the main active ingredient, is the superhero in our story. It strengthens our tooth enamel and fights tooth decay like a true champion. Next up, we have abrasives. These tiny, hard particles have a crucial job. They scrub off the plaque and polish our teeth, leaving them gleaming and spotless. But they're not too rough, mind you, or they'd wear down our teeth instead. Then we have flavorings, the unsung heroes that make the toothpaste taste good. Without them, brushing our teeth would be a bland, boring affair. They're the ones adding that refreshing mint or tantalizing cinnamon twist to our morning routine. Lastly, we have humectants. These substances keep our toothpaste from drying out, ensuring it's always ready to leap into action. With these ingredients at the ready, we can now dive into the actual production process. The journey of toothpaste production begins with mixing. Now imagine a kitchen, but on a grander scale. Imagine vast vats where all the ingredients we discussed earlier come together to create that familiar paste we use every day. The first step in this process is the careful measuring of each ingredient. Precision is key here, as even a slight deviation can impact the quality and consistency of the final product. Our ingredients, the abrasives, the fluoride, the humectants, and the flavorings, are added in meticulously calculated proportions. This ensures that your toothpaste not only effectively cleans and protects your teeth, but also tastes good and has the right texture. Once all the ingredients are in the vat, the mixing begins. Powerful mixers churn and blend the ingredients until they form a consistent paste. It's a bit like making a cake, but instead of a delicious dessert, we're making something to keep your pearly whites shining. This mixing process is carefully monitored to maintain the right conditions. Temperature is particularly important, a bit like when you're baking that cake. Too hot or too cold, and the paste might not come out right. The aim is to achieve a smooth, homogeneous paste, the kind that will flow easily out of your toothpaste tube. Once a smooth paste is achieved, it's time for the next stage, cooling and transfer. So stay tuned as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of toothpaste production. With the mixture now ready, it's time to cool it down and get it into those tubes we're so familiar with. Now let's talk about the cooling process. With the toothpaste mixture heated to perfection, it's time to bring the temperature down. The hot paste is sent through a series of cooling pipes that gradually reduce the temperature. It's like a roller coaster ride for the paste, only a bit chillier. This process ensures the paste achieves the perfect consistency we all know and love. Once our toothpaste is cooled, it's time to move on to the next stage. An automated machine, which is as precise as a Swiss watch, pumps the paste into the tubes. The tubes are filled from the bottom up, ensuring no air gaps are left. It's a fascinating process to watch, almost hypnotic, as each tube gets its share of the paste. But we're not done yet. These tubes need to be capped and sealed. The caps are screwed onto the tubes and a sealing machine applies a burst of heat to the neck of the tube. This process ensures that your toothpaste stays fresh, ready for your next brush. It's like bottling up freshness in a tube. And just like that, the tube of toothpaste you use every day is ready to be shipped off. So there you have it, the journey of toothpaste, from a mix of ingredients to the tubes in your bathroom. A fascinating process, isn't it? We've seen it all, from the careful selection of ingredients to the meticulous blending and packaging. Each step ensuring the paste that protects your pearly whites is of the highest quality. It's amazing how this everyday product plays such a crucial role in maintaining our oral health. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video enlightening. Stay curious and keep exploring the world around you.